Okay, so for today's lesson, we're going to look at key elements of a marketing plan. So the first two elements we're going to look at is establishing objectives and a market description. So we'll explain them in a little bit more detail now in a minute. So the marketing plan. So what exactly is it? So an easy definition. So it's a business document written for the purpose of describing the current market position of a business, and then its strategies, marketing strategies for the designated period. So the period could obviously could be 1 to 2 years, 2 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, whatever it is. It's basically a document describing where you are now, where you want to be, and what strategy you're going to take to get there. So why do they do this? So really, the marketing plan gives purpose and direction to all business activities. So all plans and all goals should be what we call SMART goals or SMART plans. So obviously they all stand for something different. So S means specific. So you're stating exactly what it is you want to accomplish. This is like the who's, the what's, the where's, the why's. Measurable. So how you demonstrate and evaluate the extent to which the goal is being met. So if you're specific, you want to have increased market share or 10% market share, well then you know it's measurable because you've increased 10%, so it's an actual figure you can give to it. Attainable or achievable, so stretch and challenging goals mean the ability to achieve the outcome. So you shouldn't set a goal that's out of reach that you can't actually complete. It's obviously not going to be a SMART goal or a SMART plan. It must be relevant, relatable, basically that you can actually do it and it's in line with your business objectives. So it has to be related to the business or relevant to the business plans. It can't just be skewed completely different. Also, it's important that it's time-based or time-bound. So it has a target date, or it's not, oh, this is our plan. This is a plan within a year, this is our plan within 2 years. So you have a start and then finish. So it's actually, you keep on track of it. So an important step and a key element of the marketing plan is actually establishing an objective or a goal. So we look here at the map. So if we're here at A, for example, and then we know we want to go to B, well then we know the route we can take and how we're going to get there. So because we know our final destination, it makes it easier for us to actually plan in line with that objective. So setting an objective is really the most important step in the marketing plan. So you can't start to plan until you know what it is you want to achieve. So that, for me, makes a lot of common sense and a lot of logic. So again, marketing objectives also should be closely aligned to overall business objectives, but with marketing objectives, they're a bit more customer orientated, obviously because of the nature of this part of the business. All right, so let's look at some common objectives for when you're creating a marketing plan. So increased market share is a big one. Improving your product range or increasing your product range or bringing in new products that are similar or aligned. So look, Coca-Cola, for example, they have waters, they have sports drinks, they have sugary drinks, they have low-fat drinks. They really have a massive product range and obviously helps them to create more revenue and hit different target markets. And then the last one will be maximizing customer service. So improving your overall image to the customer, your service, your quality over a period. And that's obviously, these will be three real common main objectives when you're creating a marketing plan. And the last key element we'll look at today is creating a market description. So basically, it is what it says. It's the description of the market. So the market itself is really the number of actual and potential buyers. So anyone who's willing or who does or willing to pay for your product is your market. So what do you prepare a market description? So it determines a clear direction for the marketing efforts. If you know who your customers are, the ones who are going to buy it. Again, just like when we look at target market, you find out who they are, so then you can create your strategies aimed at them. So what's in a market description? So you're going to have details of your target market, so the demographic, the geographic, all these different things we looked at before, and also details of your competitors. So who they are, what are they selling, what's similar, what's different, why are they popular, what's their market share. So it's just a list of your actual where you are in the market right now, who are your customers, who are your competitors, and that's it.